Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and if you saw the orange bag, you know I got a Temu order. So let's go ahead and show you some of the stuff I got. The first thing are these bag of covers. Now usually I get these at the Dollar Tree, but this came with so many in them. And if you don't know what they are, they come like this. And then you open them up. This is the hardest part. But once you open it, you have like this giant shower cap looking thing. And what you can do, I only have this little guy here, but you put it on your bowls and it keeps everything nice and enclosed. And this is a teeny tiny bowl, but you can see that it'll go rather large. So I have this little plastic here, and you'll see that even though it's an odd shape, you can put it on there and it covers that up rather nice as well. So this is perfect for if you have just something little that you want to keep nice and preserved. Maybe if you're doing like a picnic and you have some dips and stuff, you can put that over that. What else did I get? Oh gosh. So I have this charger, and it's just so funny. You know how you need different little charging systems? It has all these different ones with one USB. So I recently found an old iPad that I had that has this old charger. So I got it for that, but it also has like the CD. It has the one that we all used to use, right? A lot of headphones use those, and just so many different types of plugs. So I thought that was really cool. I'm always needing this for the DS, the 3DS game. And so the thing with Temu is once you start shopping and you buy one thing, they start showing you other things that you might like as well. So then they showed me this, and of course I'm like, yep, I need one of those. It comes with a C drive, so it'll fit in my Apple computer. And then it will also put a USB in there, a drive, a mini drive, and a regular drive. They're not called drives, but cards, discs, or whatever, to be able to read them. It's a disc reader. So, speaking of Macs, I also got this. It's a little sticker, and you put it on your computer, and it tells you all the shortcuts. So if you hit that button plus Z, it'll undo. Cut, paste. Now, I know those already, but I don't necessarily know that G means find next. E means to eject. And so lots of fun stuff, and you just put it right on the end of your laptop, and you have all your shortcuts there. They have them for Windows computers as well. The next thing, I saw this on Amazon and needed one, but I never bought them because they were so expensive. But on Temu, they are just a great price. So what you're going to do is you put this up like that, and then it sits down like this, and then you put a bag under here and here, and it holds your bag open for you. So you can put your like pasta sauces or hard things that, you know, are hard to get in a bag by itself. So that is a fun little gadget. I love gadgets. So it's getting to be strawberry season here soon. So this takes off the top of the strawberries for you. I also grabbed one of these. They're the long handles, and the end is flexible. So if you get into like a little mayonnaise jar, or look how small it is, but still long. So like even a mustard jar, you can get down there in the inside and grab all of that. Then we've got this knife. Now, who knows what this knife is? Put your comments, let me know, and then I'll tell you what it is. People use it for cheese and butter. So you know when you take your butter out and it's hard, you just rub it across the top and the butter comes through here and it gets soft because it's so thin. You can also go long ways like this, and you can do that with some soft cheese as well. So had to grab that. I grabbed this. This is a two for rate. So you hold it, and then you can, if you have something stuck on a pan that you're cleaning, you just go like that. Or if you use it as just a scraper, ooh, that got some stuff on it. So maybe it's to clean really well, as you can see. But that's what I use it for, and it's got a nice handle. I have one that I always buy as gifts for people. It's only this piece here, and it's really hard. So when I saw this, I thought I would love it, especially with the handle, because usually you're trying to hold it like this. But here I feel like you can really get in there. So that was a good deal for me. What else is in here? I've got lots of stickers. But I also got this mold. It's a silicone mold, and it's got 3 little door keyholes and then a key as well. So you can put some photopolymer clay in there, maybe some resin in there, and make your own little keyholes. This one is a fun one. I don't know about your family if they like Harry Potter or not, or if you have any little ones that are into fidget spinners, but this combines both of them. It's the little Quidditch game from Harry Potter, and when you hold it like this, it spins. So you've got yourself a little fidget spinner as well, and I just think that is super cute. And we have some Harry Potter fans in my family, so I bought this for their family. All right, here we go with stickers. I love stickers. If you saw my sticker collection, you would probably just pass out. I mean, if you've been watching me for any time, you know how many stickers I buy. So, last time I bought these stickers, and I decided to get another pack because I liked it so much. I wanted to make sure I had all the football teams that I needed, and these are the logos from all the football teams. This is more football stickers. I'm going to open this up because, like I said, I love stickers. Actually, I'm going to put them in here since we're opening them up. It looks like these will fit nicely. So there's some Georgia Bulldog stickers. NFL, just regular football. Lots of fun stuff. I'm not going to show you all of them, but it's going to be fun to decorate. Oh, that's a nice little Rams helmet there. So I thought that was cool. Maybe these stickers are not going to fit in here now that I've played with them. Football, look at that. That's so fun. And then this one says, pancakes served 24/7. I think, is that the team that gets free pancakes when you win? I don't know. These are not going to fit in there. Unless, of course, I put one of these over it because the other won't fit. Looped that back around. Because it'll at least keep them separate for a little bit. This is all those different states, and it tells you when it was came into the U.S. and what state it is. It's the Kansas is the sunflower state. Oh, not all of them do tell you. This says Utah, 1896. Connecticut, 1788. And that's the Constitution State. But I think these are really cool. So that's a lot of fun. Oh, look at that. All right. Then I got another set of stickers that has states on them. And these are all round. But they're so pretty. Again, they have the states. Aloha State. Missouri. I don't know what that says. Peace Garden State, North Dakota. All for our country, Nevada. The Hawkeye State, Iowa. State Sovereignty, National Union, Illinois. But these are all fun. There's Utah. Apparently the little rock there is very popular. Nebraska. At one point I wanted to live there. Colorado. So I got these for me. And then I got these stickers because I want to keep track of all the different members of my Stampin' Beauties team. So every time I get a new beauty from that state, I'm going to pull their sticker. I get one and they get one. So I thought that was cool. Hopefully I can get all 50 states represented. Try to thin this out. So those are those stickers. And then these I'm not going to pull out. Well, yes I will. No, I won't. Yes, I will. These are for my grandsons. I got two different sets. One loves to play Minecraft. And so I got him these Minecraft stickers. And then the other one, you guys, these stickers are so inexpensive. All those stickers, and they're not very expensive at all. They're tough to put back in. But, you know me, I will probably, now that I can't get them back in, I will put them in a nice pretty box and decorate it. And then the other one likes the Pokemon. And these are all little Pokemon stickers. These Pokemon have really lasted. My own child used to collect them. He still does, but now he collects them with his children. So I think these stickers will be a hit. So that is everything I got. If you shop Temu, let me know. Put in the comments what type of stuff you buy. I'd love to know what you guys are out there buying as well. All right, have a wonderful day. Please give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!